Welcome to Innovations in Health. I'm John DeSciullo, welcoming Dr. Brent Bradford from the Mini Dental Implant Centers of America. We're talking about the Mini Dental Implant. It's 5 times less invasive, less discomfort, less healing time, less visits to the dentist, and less expensive. Dr. Bradford, if you have a denture that's swimming around on the bottom of your gums, this will stabilize it.
It will, John. We place 4 mini implants into the tissue. We put the housings and O-rings inside the denture, and it just snaps right into place.
And the goop is gone. Now, odds are if you have a lower, you may have an upper denture, and the sense of taste is going to come back with the foods we love here in Central New York.
Yes, John, as you can see, we removed the palate. That allows you to have that sense of taste back, the sense of hot and cold. 6 mini implants are placed. The denture snaps right into place. Again, a nice solid fit.
In-office procedure, and it's affordable. Dr. Bradford and his team will work with you. This is called now the fixed on 6, like a permanent set of teeth.
Yes, John. We place 6 to 8 mini implants. This is a zirconia material. It is harder than your natural teeth. We snap that into place, and you never remove that. Only your doctor will remove that.
And there's even a step up from that called the roundhouse, a permanent solution. But now if you have teeth in the back of your mouth that you're neglecting, don't do that anymore. And a single tooth as well. Dr. Bradford has the answer.
No, John, you don't want to neglect those missing posterior teeth. We place the appropriate number of implants, in this case 4. We have a 3-unit bridge that's cemented right over those implants.
And that single tooth is custom made just for you.
Yes, it is. In this case, we put in 1 implant, we have a custom made crown made, and that's cemented into place, and you're good to go.
Dr. Bradford and his team are at 5100 West Taft Road in the North Medical Building, Suite 4N in Liverpool. Here's the number to call. Thanks, Dr. Bradford, for joining us.
Thank you, John.